Hi guys, how are you doing? And welcome back to another video. First and foremost, I'm sorry we didn't get to have a video last week. A lot has been happening that I think personally sometimes a break is needed. Otherwise, everything is all right, and I'm back again with another cleaning motivation video. I hope you do like it, and if it impresses you, kindly give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly consider doing that. I will highly appreciate it. So I got to deep clean our kitchen because it's been a while ever since I did that. I just wanted to ensure that I get to clean the parts and places that I normally don't clean every day. I also got to deep clean the living room. I had my carpet cleaned for me by some amazing guys, and unfortunately I lost the clip of when it was getting cleaned. They're just starting off their cleaning services and they do an amazing job. I will leave their contact in the description box in case you are interested. You can reach out to them. And guys, truthfully, they are way affordable and they do an amazing job. I was impressed, and now my house is clean and smelling nice. I'm so happy. I hope you get to enjoy the rest of the video.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yeah. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Without giving a warning, I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
So guys, I am done, and I think I took close to 3 hours doing this cleaning, and it doesn't matter because at least now my house is clean. But I think I should give it like just a few hours, and then the sink will have some dishes with toys everywhere. I'm not complaining, but isn't that the joy of motherhood? All in all, I'm impressed I got to do this cleaning and that I got to upload today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and in case you haven't subscribed yet, kindly consider hitting the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you get notified each and every time I post new videos. I will see you in my next one. and also in the comment section. Enjoy your weekend.